Bakit tingin mo mahal lang ni Mama Mary mga Pilipino, doktora? Ano bang something special sa atin?
Actually,
Ang gulo-gulo ng Pilipinas eh.
opo, I think the answer to that I will get from Christina Gallagher.
Okay.
She is an Irish visionary. And according to her, one time Mama Mary asked her, or I think Jesus po ba or Mama Mary asked her to go to the Philippines, but she didn't want to go to the Philippines.
Okay.
Pero finally po, napapayag po siyang bumisita sa bansa natin. I think this was sometime in the 90s pa po yata. Hindi ko po
Okay.
sure yung
Kakapangalan ko pa lang
timeline.
yun, no?
Opo. Tapos ano po, ang sabi po ni Christina Gallagher, habang nasa airplane siya, parang kinausap po siya ni Jesus. Nung nakikita niya na po yung Philippine Islands sa aeroplano. Tapos sabi niya po kay Christina Gallagher, sabi ni Jesus na malaki daw po ang utang na loob. Sabi niya po in Tagalog, malaki po ang utang na loob ni Jesus sa mga Pilipinos. Kasi po, sabi niya, because of their devotion to his mom. So I think maybe that's the reason why Mama Mary loves us also is because of our devotion to her. And nakalimutan ko din po kung sino po nagsabi sa akin that the Philippines po was given to Mama Mary by the Eternal Father. So our country was given to her. In fact, kilala niyo po yung Venezuelan visionary na si Juan Antonio.
Ayan, nabanggit sa akin Tita Kelly. Yung pumunta sa Munting
Sabsaban. Opo. Si Juan Antonio, nakalimutan ko po kung nasaan po siya at that time. Pero he saw a vision of the map of the Philippines and he saw the Blessed Mother. What the Blessed Mother did, she got her mantle, yung mantle po niya. Tapos, dinakpan niya po yung buong Philippines. So to me, parang it was a sign or it was a symbol of her parang protecting our country. Kasi we were put under her mantle po.
Wow. Kaya parang yung threat ng big one di ba sasabing malapit na pero parang
Nadidelay po.
Nadidelay, ganun. Oo. May insight ka ba doon, doktora? Sa mga message or discernment, ganyan? Pero tingin mo yun talaga pinoprotect niya tayo sa tragedy, disaster or di ba? Despite ng may mga crisis ngayon, affected tayong Pilipinas pero we still strive.
Opo, at saka po, naalala ko po, Brother Adrian, what happened to us in EDSA.
Right.
Opo, imagine nyo po, we were under a dictatorship, tapos how our country was able to parang be freed from dictatorship na no bloodshed,
Right.
very peaceful revolution. I think it's really by the Blessed Mother. Nakita ko po yung mga pictures nung EDSA. There were a lot of people holding their rosaries. Meron pa nga pong dala-dala yung images ng Blessed, ng Fatima.
Yeah.
So probably our Blessed Mother also helped us during that time.
Wow. Until today.
Until today po, until today, she's still there.
Yes.